Good morning Year 7, 8 and 9. We're looking forward to welcoming you all back to school for face-to-face learning very soon. Year 9 on Monday and Year 7 and 8 in just a week and a half. Coming back to school may bring a mixed set of feelings for many of you. It's understandable that there may be some level of anxiousness about coming back to school and what that may be like. After a long period of remote learning, it's natural that you may have concerns around being around a large group of people again, mixing with friends, and not being able to manage your freedoms each day in the same way that you have been. Overcoming these challenges does take time and some personal effort. Please understand that your teachers understand that you will be confronted with some of these challenges as you come back to school. If you do have concerns, please feel free to speak to your PC teacher, your pastoral care coordinator, or to any teacher who you feel comfortable speaking with. That's a part of our job. There may be things that we can do or put in place to support you and assist you in transitioning back to school. There are also some things you can do yourself to prepare for transitioning back to school. Start by developing your school routines. These include going to sleep at the time you normally would each night before school, and waking up at the time you would on a normal school day. Eating breakfast each day and consuming food at the same times as the school recess and lunch breaks will assist your body in adapting back to school routines. Avoid snacking on foods outside of these times. Organise your school equipment. Prepare and pack your books, any texts, your laptop, calculator and other stationery. Make sure your laptop is fully charged in preparation for the first day back at school. Remember, you don't need to bring everything back with you on the first day. Look at your timetable and prepare based on the classes that you will have. Check that you have your locker key. Clean out your school bag and have it ready to pack for the first day, making sure that you have your lunchbox and a water bottle ready to pack. You also need to make sure you have a face mask to wear at school throughout each day. It's important to also check that you have all the required summer uniform items. You can refer to the requirements in the student diary on page 13 and 14 and on the college website. Start organising your uniform now. Check that you have everything. Try all uniform items on and ensure they fit, including your school shoes. It may also help to spend a bit of time each day getting used to wearing your school shoes again. Boys, a reminder that if you are wearing school shorts as a part of the summer uniform, your socks need to be grey. And girls, remember that dresses or shorts are to be knee length. Ensure that any adjustments or new purchases are made to ensure any issues are corrected before returning to school. And as always, a reminder that facial piercings or fashionable extremes to hair, including hairstyles and colours, should not be worn on the return to school, as in line with the college policy. Also think about how you will get to and from school. Plan to arrive at school on time and allow for any delays. If you will be being driven to school on the first day back, bear in mind that many others will probably be doing the same, so leave a little earlier than you normally would. If you'll be catching a bus, check that you have your MyWay card and that it has enough credit on it. Refamiliarise yourself with bus timetable information. And finally, be as up to date as you can with classwork and assessment. If you know you are not up to date, don't stress. Your teachers understand that all students will be at different points in their learning. The pandemic has served up many challenges over the last year and a half. We've been required to adjust and be flexible in the way we have adapted to things. Being flexible is a key point about being resilient, and coming back to school, we can all be resilient together.